I'll just go up to your knees.
How you gonna do it? Do it! Do it! I'm recording!
Don't jump, just go in there if you want.
Don't pay attention to your mother.
Somebody already did. Shut up.
What? Do
Somebody
it.
already did that. Who was that?
It's Papi.
Well, if he did it.
That or the cat.
See?
That's retarded. That was your jump.
I'm gonna do a snow
That's
angel.
crap. Do a snow
Get
angel.
around.
I can't do it laying front.
Oh, go for it. Okay.
You're stupid. You're
That's not a snow angel. That's for dear life. Recording?
See how sad when he's drunk.
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Go get Katrina. Run. Go get Katrina.
Katrina!
Tell her it's an emergency.
It actually looks like a big snow angel just fell from the sky.
Scotty, did you die? She's got the glove. Did you die?
Okay, get up now. This is the angel.
Hey, Joshua. Scotty died. Come here, Joshua.
Papi,
I can't open the door.
funny and get up from there.
Joshua, come here. Scotty, get up. Scotty. Scotty.
Ooh, damn.
Where's Katrina?
Oh, it's not even good.
I'm swimming!
She's swimming. That's a fat angel. I don't know, folks, if you guys can see this, but that wasn't a whale attempting to do an angel.
That's what the Papi doing. Are you guys gonna build a snowman?
They're gonna build a snowman, asking them to go.
What are you doing here? They're gonna build
I
a
thought you were
snowman.
gonna take all my gloves off. This will stay.
Are you gonna build a snowman?
It's too soft.
Is it? That's crap.
Still snow.
Throw it in the air like if you were like Caroline from the city. Not in your eye. That lady's not coming out.
Huh?
Why don't you just do some snow at you, Kati?
Look at the chair. It looks like a perfect little.
I know, me and Papi are like,
That's not a cushion, you guys. That's snow. That aquarium.
no,
I don't know about you guys, but that aquarium is filled with snow. She's gonna sit on
You need a
it.
bonfire. I like that.
Are you gonna sit on it?
why did you do that? That was perfectly.
She sat on it.
Record the snow over there.
I'm recording Kashi. She's funnier.
I'm calling Mikala.
It's hot?
Real dog if you don't care.
She's hot, Ma.
Papi, you're gonna get sick.
It's hot. Ooh, I'm gonna do a snowboard.
Snowboard? Oh. You're retarded.
My hand's done.